Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how we can create an email signature using Canva, a professional email signature. So what we will do, we will first create an email signature free in Canva, and please note that this is totally free and require no subscription. And then after designing a signature in Canva, I will show you how we can add the signature into Outlook or into Gmail. So navigate to canva.com and go to search option and type email signature. I have already typed in. You will immediately get access to the thousands of signatures you can use to create your signature. Okay, here are some of the free signature. When I search for signature, Canva showed me. So there could be some of free signature and some signature could be paid, right? So let's try the signature. I will drag and drop the signature into my Canva and I will make the signature for my email. Now, once the signature is populated here, and first thing I will do is I will upload my image here, right? I will replace this image with the one. So first, let's go to upload my image here into Canva. And the one thing I forget to tell you about that, you should have a free account with Canva logged in, right? Once you're logged in with your free account into Canva, you can use these free features. So let me log in with a free account and then I will upload an image, right? You can use any Gmail, Yahoo, or any of your email and log into Canva. Okay, now I am logged in into Canva with my account and I can use free resources to create a signature, right? So let's go to upload and I will upload an image. I've added to my desktop. Okay, this is my image. Once I have uploaded an image into Canva, I can simply drag and drop my image here. That's great, right? So now in my signature, I have uploaded my own image, right? So now let's change the name here as well and update my name here. Okay, and let's add the designation here. Okay, here you can also use the free images from the Canva library. So let's try to find a free image here, right? You can also use free images here. So, so in the element section, right, I can search for the free image. I can search for computer image here and I can select the photos. Here you will find that which images are free and which are paid. The one with pro option are paid images and we have to upgrade subscription to get those. So if we need to get pro images, we have to upgrade our subscription. But here we are doing everything free. So let's drag and drop the free computer image to my signature. See, now the old image I have added here is gone and I've added a free image for my signature here. You want to change any effects or filters for your image here. You can click on it and you can go to edit image. This examples, let's suppose that I want to decrease the transparency of this image here. So click on the image and you will find a transparency option here, and from here we can decrease or increase the transparency of the image, right? So once you are all done with the image, we can move to text, right? So here in the text option we can change the color of the fonts, right? Once I selected colors, we can change the color of the font from here, right? If you can see now the colors are getting changed. Okay, I like this color blue. You can increase or decrease the size of the text, and also you can select some of free font family from here, right? Some of font family are paid and some of font family are free. So here we will be going to use free font family, and we can also, let's try open sans if that is free. Yeah, now my font family for this text is open sans. So if you want the same font family and size for the next text we have in our signature, you can select that and you can go here. At the top you will find the same font family, and you can assign this font family to the second text image here, right? And if about coloring here, you can also do the same color for your next text here. If you want to go to the next, and if you want it same as the above two text boxes, the phone number and the email, we can go to open sans and we can also get the same color here. And if you want to change them all, we can go to here, change all, right? So fonts are now changed across our design. Let's verify here. Yeah, now we have all of our fonts changed to open sans, right? Now I don't need to go one by one everywhere and change my fonts to open sans, which is automatically changed by clicking on change all. If I want to change the color as well for all of my fonts, I can try change all option here. Let's see if this also gets changed or no. Let's try this. That's great. If you can see now, all of the font's color is changed to blue when I hit change all. If you want to add some shapes here into your image, right, you can go to elements, and in the shapes option, you will see all these shapes here, right? So we can let's see all, and I will show you how can we can simply add these shapes to my email here, right? And if we don't need any of shapes here, or we don't like those shapes here, we can simply delete them from here. I've noticed that there are some graphics that are added here for phone calls, emails, World Wide Web, and the address. If I want to change how they looks like, I can select them, and I can change the colors of the image from here, right? And if I am unhappy with this image and I want to add another image here, I can delete it, and I can go to elements. I can get this phone option here, drag and drop here, and simply I can make this a little smaller, and I can set this up here again. Okay, that's great. So let's try one more thing. If I want to change the background color of my signature here, I can simply click on the background, and I can go to here for the colors. I can do it simply white, and I can change it light gray. I can change it to black. I can change it to this color and this color. One of the best thing Canva is when you select the color, this will give you a suggestions of colors here related to your images. As you can see, this photo and colors are matching with each other. So let's finalize this background color, right, for my signature. You can also see a bunch of default colors, right, and the gradient options to use. Or if you want a white background, you can go back to white. Now I am all set with my email signature, and I wanted to download. So for download, you have to go to share button here, and you can simply go to download option. Once you go to download option, you can select from here PNG, JPEG, PDF standard, PDF print. Some of the options are free, while some of the options will be available in the pro version. So I will set it to the same PNG image, right? I cannot change anything else as changing size and transparent background and quality is the pro version of the Canva. So let's download it to add it to email signature, right? And now I will show you how we can add this signature to my Outlook as well as my Gmail. Okay, now the download is completed. Let's download it on the desktop. Save. Okay, here is my email signature here. That's great. Okay, signature to my Outlook. I can go I can go to Outlook setting here. After going to Outlook setting, I can go here to the signature option. Let's go ahead and add new signature. I want to name this signature default, right? And in here, I will add that image from desktop. Here you go. I have inserted that image from desktop. Okay. Here, if you want to position your image, right, you can do that by simply clicking on it and setting its position, right. And also, if you want to add a link to your image, you can also do that. You can go to three dots, right. After going to three dots, you can go to this insert link option. Or you can also right click on the image, and here you have the option to insert hyperlink. Now once you click on the link to be added to your signature, you can add a link here. I will add abc.com just for your explanation, and I will hit OK. So now once you will save this signature here, this will be your signature into your new email. So let's go back and see how we can add signature into our Gmail as well. So here I got the signature. I just have added as a default. Let's try to add this first, and then we will go to Gmail. In my new email, I have a default signature here that I have added, and I can also see the link here with the signature, right? So we have added signature into Outlook. Let's move and see how we can do this in Google or Gmail. Also, if you have noticed that when I hover over at my signature, it's showing abc.com, the email or the domain I've added into my signature, the link it's opening, it's showing abc.com. If I double click on it, it's opening the link into the browser. The link I've added abc.com. This link was just for your understanding. Now let's move ahead and see how we can add signature into our Gmail. Okay, in your Gmail, let's go to setting, see all settings, and in the general option, scroll down, and in the signature option, right, you can hit create new signature name. I will add it default, hit create, and I will insert the same image signature that I have downloaded from Canva, right? So select files from your device. Let's go to the location I have saved that image, and it's uploading now. Once the image is uploaded here, right, I can select the size for it. I want it into a medium size, right? That's great. And if you want to insert a link into this image, right, same as we did in Outlook, you can text to display, you can say abc.com, and the web address would be abc.com. Here we also have test this link option, right? As my this link is not the correct link, right, I'm not testing this link. It's okay. Now let's see where we can save it. Yeah, let's save changes. insert the link into this image. Okay, here make sure you have selected these options. For new email, use default signature. For reply, use reply or forward, use default signature, and then save it so this will appear into your new email. Let's go to compose email, and you can see here my signature is coming up into new email automatically. Right, that's it about today's lecture. We have created a free signature template from Canva, and we have seen how we can edit and create their signature, and how we can upload or set up their signature for our Outlook emails, Microsoft emails, or for our Gmail. I hope you enjoyed this video. That's all about today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.